How to adjust or change your RMM strategy. You can always check your current RMM strategy to see how it's performing and adjust accordingly. This provides you with more flexibility in your portfolio. To adjust or change your current RMM strategy, head to Strategy in the top menu and select the My Strategy tab. On this page, you will see all of your RMM strategies that are currently running. Simply choose a strategy that you would like to adjust by clicking on the arrow. Now here you will find all the useful data about this strategy, including analysis on strategy return and reference return, as well as your initial and current balance ratio. And right at the bottom, there's your open order, filled order, order history, and rebalance records. After you've reviewed the data and would like to adjust your RMM strategy, simply click on Adjust. Here, you can change the threshold percentage and the maximum number of orders. Input the new threshold percentage and the maximum number of orders, then click Confirm, and your RMM strategy is adjusted. To add or reduce the investment amount on your current position, choose Add or Reduce. Next, confirm the operation by allowing the system to pause on the RMM strategy temporarily until the adjustments take effect. If you would like to add more investment to your current position, head to the Add tab. You will see both available balances on the trading pair. And in this example, both BTC and USDT are available. Enter the BTC or USDT amount that you would like to add, and the virtual amount will apply automatically to continue balancing your desired portfolio ratio. Lastly, click Confirm and your adjustment is done. If you would like to reduce your current position on the strategy, select the Reduce tab. You will see your current position on the trading pair. Enter the BTC or USDT amount that you would like to reduce, and the virtual amount of the trading pair will apply automatically. All you need to do is click Confirm and the investment amount will be reduced. And there you go. You can always monitor and adjust your RMM strategy with just a few clicks.